Guys, this is my sister's vlog, and we're out here at night.
Yeah, out here.
And we're going to do a video.
His name is Sumpy, actually.
Sumpy?
Dumpy.
Like
So we just literally found this on the porch a few minutes ago. Take care of it.
Look, it's on the
Ew, her hand. Oh,
It's not.
her hand.
What? It's on her hand.
Slimy.
Look, no.
Oh no, you lost it. Oh no, she still got it.
Oh,
my gosh, oh my gosh.
Oh my
gosh.
gosh.
I thought it was about to hop on me. I was like, oh my god.
If it hopped on us.
Don't squeeze it there.
I know. I'm holding it. It's a fraud.
It's a toad.
Wait a second.
It's a
No.
Oh, I know the perfect place for them to go pee. Their face. It looks very cold here. And
Oh
that's
my
when the
gosh.
lights are on. So it's like,
It's a baby. That's how she is, baby.
did someone just hear a boy noise, like a grown-up boy noise? Someone.
That's them.
Oh. That sounds like a boy.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is gonna be a short video, by the way, because
Yeah.
you just saw a frog.
I mean, that's
Well, we.
Oh, Wise Tree's probably sleeping.
It is
Yeah.
a small fraud.
We can't let Wise.
Oh, it's so cute.
Let's feed it a blueberry.
Let's see if they.
If it dies,
It's trying to suck on the sweet. Look.
I'll
It's
put the
trying
blueberry.
to. Sister, it's trying to bounce on here.
wait,
Look.
wait. I
No,
know.
it's.
Stop. I'm trying to let it eat.
You want a blueberry, little guy?
That's not his.
Maybe
mouth.
choose a smaller one.
Yeah, we need like a way smaller one.
Ooh, like one of those.
What if it eats leaves?
Like no, that one's too big. Okay, over here. Over
River,
here.
come here.
Over
What are you
here.
doing? Come here. You need to see nature.
It's right.
They're
It's
tied
so
up,
down
they're
my.
tied up,
It's
they're
so
tied
down
up.
my head.
Girl, you gotta stop doing that. That's annoying.
Oh no.
Come on.
I almost walked.
Can you put the light over here? I found some. Okay, like maybe it could have a purple one.
I think that's fine.
No, we don't. It's so cold and hungry. Okay. Now we need to find a way smaller one. I think that means it doesn't like it. Okay.
Maybe try to give it a leaf.
I already tried that.
Like a smaller leaf. Like
Guys, over here, I found some.
may not be as hungry. No.
You just whip it apart.
Oh gosh,
That's a lot.
That's the wrong one. Wait.
Oh,
I did it!
It left me. Oh.
his hand was on.
Sit on a rock. Everyone sit on a rock. I want to sit on this one.
I can't. It's just nibbled. Look.
Oh my goodness. Is he gonna jump away?
No one will hold it.
So.
I'm not holding it. Go get it more food. Evelyn, you're
yeah.
its mom.
It probably doesn't want that. No, I don't want to eat it. I just.
Okay, guys, come on.
I've
thought-
seen
Oh my
it.
goodness. Where does it even pee from?
Ugh. They pee on you. That's why I hate the slimy part
It's
of
fine
them.
that they pee on
Do you ever imagine eating
Sister,
frogs
you
or
can wash
toads?
it off.
Ugh, like the gooey stuff. Ugh.
Sister, you know you can wash it off.
Yeah, but like, imagine eating a toad. That's gross.
Once I heard.
That one.
Eh, I thought you said I found another
frogs
straw.
was- Sister, once I heard
River, where are you
on
going?
YouTube is food.
Stop.
On front
Eat a
TV.
blueberry here.
River, where are you going? You can pee over here. By the fact, I have to go pee too.
We have our own pets.
Come on.
Each of us. But where do I put
How
it?
about you make it a home right now, and then you put it in there, and then when you wake up,
Ah!
then when you wake up, you'll probably see it again.
Okay. So
Yeah,
we need
we got pick leaves so we can make it food. Cindy, can you hold mine still? I gotta go put some leaves.
Sister, I just grabbed on this
Try
and
your best.
hot out of my hand.
Come on, guys. Come on. I can't do this, so you better hurry. Ew, there's flies all around the camera. Hurry, I'm getting tangled up. Here, there, here. Right, now go choose a
We found
place.
2 toes.
Come on, I know where the perfect place is. Eat out something.
Oh, you're so cute.
Oh, I've got some ways for it.
It's so baby.
so baby.
Where are you gonna put it?
Oh, we're gonna put it in a box. I want to burn it.
Burn it?
Yeah, I want to burn the toad.
Why?
Yeah. It would look so inspiring.
Ouch.
It'll make fun legs. Fun legs.
Oh, gross. Okay, here's the...
Ew, some on my... I see that. Oh my gosh. It's so on your chest. It's some
More expensive, but okay. Do not bring it in here. Where is it?
This in here.
You need to let it go.
But I like that. I want to put it in this.
No, no. It doesn't like you. Do you hear that noise? It wants to get down, baby. We're not keeping it. Put it down, and we're gonna wash our hands.
We
Let's
should
just
never
feed
keep
it.
it.
Of course not, because it's a frog that wants to live outside.
Everyone, let's just at least feed it for a minute.
No, no, no. Just go put it up.
Okay, just go for it.
Not near the dogs. They might eat it.
Ugh.
Oh, did they spit it? Toad spit it. Seriously, don't touch your face. You need to wash your hands.
River,